What's up, my YouTube babies? And this your girl Jess, and I'm back again for another quick little Vlogmas video. So today y'all are going to be making these supreme triple chunk brownies with me. So you're going to need a mixing bowl. I am going to add in these M&M holiday candies. And of course we're going to add some more chocolate, because who don't like chocolate? You know what I'm saying? And this is just the instructions, pretty self-explanatory. You want to have you some water, some oil, and 1 egg. 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And then set your oven to 350, which is what I'm doing right here. Get that prepped. Now we got our stuff to get ready to make the brownie mix. So first you want to take your box. Take the brownie mix out of the box and pour it in your mixing bowl. But once you pour it in your mixing bowl, you want to make sure you get all the little cracks and crevices out the bag. And then you want to go in with your first step of the ingredients, which will be some water. I'm using some alkaline water, and I'm pouring that 1/4 cup of water into the mixture. And I don't have vegetable oil, so I use canola oil. And I'm using 1/3 cup of canola oil and pouring that into the mixture. And then next, you're going to go in with 1 egg, and you want to just crack that like so in the mixture. Bloop. Okay, there we go. And then now you just want to mix everything together. And basically, you want to make sure there's no lumps, no leftover dry batter mix. And you just want to mix it as best you can until you see nothing else. And then you want to add your Hershey's Kisses in there. And I didn't add that much, maybe like, I would say probably like a 1/2 cup of it, because it already was triple chunky chocolate brownies. So I just added a little more, and then you want to mix that in too. And it's real simple and easy stuff that you can do with your kids for the holidays, just to keep them busy, to spend time and make those holiday memories with your baby. So this is just a real quick and easy recipe that anybody can do. And people always ask me like how I make my desserts. And literally all I do is follow the instructions on the box. Like if you can read and comprehend, then you can make some brownies. You can make any desserts, especially if it's by the box. So here y'all see I have a little pan, and I have already pre-greased it with some of that canola oil. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my mixture so that we can get that set to go. And you want to make sure you scrape as much as you can out of the actual bowl so that you can get the best density to your brownies and don't miss any mixture. And then I'm just popping it down to make sure everything is even out. Now I'm going on top with them M&Ms, the milk chocolate M&Ms, and I just like it because it's the red and green, M&Ms for the holidays. Super festive, super cute. You can definitely, buy a cuter like container to cook it in, but I just use what I wanted to use because it's what I had, and it's just me and bae, so we really just be using this type of stuff because who really want to cook and wash dishes afterwards, you know what I'm saying? So this just allows us to store it and cook it, so it's just a one-stop shop. So now y'all see I'm just over flooding the brownie with all of the M&Ms, and now I'm about to go ahead and put it in the oven. Again, the oven is set to 350, and then I did set the timer initially to 31 minutes. But once I actually checked it, which y'all will see here in a second, that wasn't enough time. So I did go back in and keep the brownies in there for an additional 10 minutes. So altogether, it took about 41 minutes to cook the brownies. So this is me doing the first set of the baking. This is it being done initially. This is me checking it. So y'all see what I just said. Basically, when I checked it, like the middle wasn't done all the way through. So I did stick it back in there. And I just use a knife to check it. And if the knife comes out gooey looking, then it's still not done. If it comes out clean, then of course, that's how you know it's done. And that's just something that I learned from like my granny and mom growing up when they would be cooking and stuff like that. But I didn't have like a fancy final video, so here is a picture of what it looked like, y'all. It came out really good, and I ate it with some ice cream. So be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all like this video, and stay tuned for more videos.